Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. I'm Lorena de la Cruz, 44 years old from the Philippines. I am married and I have one child. I work as a domestic helper in Qatar for 2 years and 3 months. I took care of 2 kids. One is 3 years old when I arrived, then after 3 weeks, madam delivered a baby. The 3-year-old child went to school when she was 4 years old. So I wake up early in the morning to help her bath, brush teeth, wear uniform, serve meal, carry her bag, and go to school. When she comes back from the school, I attend to her needs. We play together, and I have a good relationship with her. For the newborn baby, I can prepare her milk, clean bottles, change diaper and change clothes, bathing, and carrying to put her to sleep. Sir, madam, please hire me as your domestic helper because I need this job to earn money to help and support my family financially. And this time, I want to work in Hong Kong for me to earn more. I can do household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing, and go to supermarket and cooking. And I am willing to learn Hong Kong dishes. I am kind, honest, responsible, and a hardworking person, and I am willing to learn Hong Kong procedures. And I hope you like me. Thank you so much, sir and madam, and have a good day.